Hey everyone! The MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a staple for momentum traders, helping you spot trend reversals before they're obvious on the price chart. In 2026, adding and fine-tuning this tool on TradingView is faster than ever. Here's the specific step-by-step to get it on your screen. Step 1. Accessing the Indicators library. We are starting at the top toolbar of your chart. We're heading to the Indicators button, the icon that looks like a graph with a plus sign. We do this because the MACD is a built-in technical study that needs to be active in your secondary pane. Click Indicators at the top center. In the search bar, type MACD. Select the standard Moving Average Convergence Divergence under the Technicals tab, and it will instantly appear at the bottom of your chart. Step 2. Customizing the inputs. Now we are in the MACD settings. We're heading to the gear icon in the MACD legend, the top left of the bottom panel. We do this to ensure the indicator matches the tempo of your specific trading style. Click the Settings gear icon. For the inputs, the default is 12-26-9. For day traders, consider a faster setting like 5-13-9 for more sensitivity. For swing traders, stick to the defaults for more stable, reliable signals. This controls how fast the lines react to price changes. Step 3. Styling the visuals. We are heading to the Style tab within the same settings menu. We do this to make the crossover signals and momentum bars visually pop against your background. For the colors, you can set the MACD line and signal line to contrasting colors, like blue and orange. Also, adjust the opacity of the bars. In 2026, many traders use the gradient option to clearly see when momentum is fading versus accelerating. Ensure the zero line is visible, as it acts as the baseline for bullish versus bearish territory. Step 4. Interpreting the signal. We are finishing at the visual histogram and crossover. We do this to turn the data into a trade decision. When the MACD line, fast, crosses above the signal line, slow, it's a bullish signal. Watch for the bars to cross the zero line. If bars are growing larger above the zero line, momentum is building to the upside. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.